Shubor nakaslem jong Nongshalan Hima.
Ki Pulit jong Pynbthei district lengbaka bernihat polis outpost menda kasngi kilayo ban kemno yakawai kakali kabakit ikitiar Pynbthei rengkat bat arngut ki breu ki badan ti halor Nongshalan bean yakini kitiar. Kumbala yo lum jingtep na ki Pulit layathu badai hadian ka jingyot jingtep ka batikna halor ka jingwan jong kawai kakali kitiar Pynbthei baki Pulit kilapan long ya ka jingpan apsharem nadu kapor arba jemenstem. Deitat haduk keporsan baje menstem balayo ban kemno ya katika kali kabadan ya unamba AS not iway LC iway R badyo ban Kurup ru ya shikong kitiar Pynbthei ki balakit lengba katika kali habakren chakilat pathai khubor USP Pynbthei ugiri prasan ulaong bakane ka jingyo kem ya kini kibreu batru ya kitiar Pynbthei kadai hadian balayo jingtep ti kenal pa baki wan na kithan jantia hills daka jingtmu ban penpoi ya kitiar Pynbthei syarani bazar jokanong ba Guwahati ulaya thu baki kitiar Pynbthei ki balayo Kurup ki kenthob ya arsong u aluminium electronic denotator ki badan komba arphosan teli hakawai ka paken bat khat arsong kini yojel nakalyang USP ulaong ru baya ka kerteng jong kiteki arngut ki bala syakem bagen thob ye uwe u driver 4 lak satia ban ai kerteng naba ka jingtok ket kadang yat syakman Shushu USP ulaong ru bagi bor Pulit Pynbthei kidang penlong ya ka jing pet ngor bat tok ket benyak bha halor ka jing shalan bean ya kitiar Pynbthei bat ru bandalap dien ki badan keti ha kini kitiar Pynbthei klem ki kot ki slaki babiang bat ru ka jing pen khen ya ki an da ka bashalan lang bagi kali simen naba ya kini kitiar Pynbthei de ban shalan lang bagi kali ke balas naker pang lani kita ki explosive van
Especially uni.
I mean around 16th February, so night 2 o'clock. So we received information from a reliable source that a particular vehicle suspected to carry explosives in huge numbers, which may be illegal in nature. So then the team under IC Barnihat has set up a NACA around 2 o'clock. And we are checking the vehicles, all the vehicles, light vehicles and other vehicles which are suspected to carry explosive substances. So around 5 o'clock, the one vehicle number A01LC 1112 was intercepted by the Barnihat outpost NACA. So the vehicle initially did not stop while checking, and the vehicle was followed up to 12th mile, and they have been detained at 12th mile. So after detaining the vehicle, then there were 2 occupants in the vehicle. So in the interest of investigation, we will not reveal the 2 occupants of the vehicle. Then once the vehicle was checked, then it was found that there were almost 24 packets of aluminium electronic detonators. So the number of detonators might be around approximately 1200 in numbers. Along with it, there were around 305 kgs of gelatin sticks, Neogel gelatin sticks, which were seized from the vehicle. Along with that, there is also 2 mobile phones seized from the accused, and the accused have been arrested. And Nongpo PS case 22/2022 under Section 5A of Explosive Substances Act has already been registered, and the matter is still under investigation. So far this much only can be revealed, and further details will be followed up. And one more thing I would like to say that Meghalaya State Police have intensified the crackdown on illegal proliferages of explosives, because they might be used for any other activities which are not legal and lawfully permitted. So that is the main thing, and this exercise will keep continuing in the district, and any substances, explosive substances which are unauthorized or illegally transported, the exercise against that will keep continuing.
Investigation, is there any?
There's no legal documents. That is why we have initiated the case, because ideally for transportation of explosives they should carry proper documents, and the vehicle also should be authorized.
From which location, sir, did this vehicle come?
This had come from, suspectedly to come from, further investigation will reveal much more details, come from East India Hills, Ladrambai. And supposedly the vehicle was proceeding towards Rani Bazaar, no? of Guwahati, where supposedly it has to be delivered to someone, which we are still investigating.